So we're gonna put some sand underneath it for some cushion. All right, and then a lot of soap. Get rid of this sand because that's just gonna have like too much friction. It's probably gonna rip the tube. Might be the dumbest thing we've ever done.
Hey. Boys, you guys gotta get us. Everybody has to dig. Everybody.
Yeah, everybody, let's go, dig.
I don't get involved. Shouldn't ever came over here.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Don't lift it up.
Push it down, but shake it up.
What are you doing?
I wasn't even on it!
Brave!
We are heading out on the water today to fix up the shipwreck, fix up our Dallas Key lunch spot. We've got a few little ideas for the lunch spot to make it look even better than it already is. I want to clear it up a little bit, make a little kitchen maybe, so we can cook our guests top quality food. Want to maybe put a little hammock there. We had an old cargo net that we were going to use for the shipwreck. We're going to take that and maybe make a little hammock. I have a few little plans for it. I obviously want to bring a trash bin there to make sure that no one leaves any litter or anything like that, and we can keep it nice and clean. I want to try and make a little tire rope swim. We got to first find the tire. We got a load of rope. Alright, we are on the road looking for some tires.
Two things first. One, we have to find a plastic barrel, and then we gotta find a tire to make our own swing.
LJ was late into work today, and I asked Steven why. He goes, oh, he came to pick me up from the house, but was needing the shits, really bad needing the shits. Perfect opportunity to see if he is telling the truth or just covering LJ's ass. And sure enough, LJ is still here, meaning he is still sitting on that toilet, that poor toilet. That looks like the tires that we want. It absolutely stinks in the car now. This is totally our own fault. Good job, Steve. Hey. Alright, we found a couple little spiky bits sticking out of the tire. So I'm just going to fix those up, make it a little bit safer for our guests to lie on, because I don't think we want people hurting themselves on that. Alright, we finally got everything for Dallas Key. We brought the cornhole sets. This is all taped up and ready so no one gets black marks on them. We've got all the goodies. We're going to set up to make it the best lunch spot in Turks and Caicos. And then, I don't know, I guess that's it. This is the North and Middle barge right here. Clearly didn't make it to North and Middle Caicos. Got shipping containers. There's a lorry right there, if you can see that. Somebody is going to be in a lot of trouble for this. If everybody had an ocean. That is our lunch spot over there. Look at this guy.
It is too, baby. Me and you.
Me and you. And this is our little lunch spot right here. As you can see, we've got the safety helmet just in case anything gets too crazy. These are all of our old surfboards and wakeboards that we made into benches. And this is the little lunch cooking spot right here, which someone has managed to destroy. This is our Jenga set right here. It just looks like firewood. We've been tidying up the lunch spot.
Let's go get some more.
We found a nice little trash bin right there. We've set up our Jenga right here on one of our old brigade boards. The girls have tidied up and made our little sheltrance. Sheltrance, yeah, shell entrance / safety entrance.
You planned the sheltrance word?
It's a sheltrance. No, I just thought of it.
That was off the top.
That was just straight off the top of my head. And we even set up our cornhole for a little game later on. Jenga, boards, Steven. Oh no, someone's come to ruin our day. Oh look, she's waving at us. Look at this. He did it.
It like broke in his.
If it holds Steven, it'll hold anyone.
Yeah!
Look at this. That's what we really want to see. I am very impressed.
Hang on that branch.
That is
you can take it down.
Probably the best rope swing, tire swing in Turks and Caicos right here. World's best lunch spot. Casey.
My saddle's waiting.